Going on YouTube? Bike Life Chalk coming back at y'all with another video. Basically on today's little episode, we gonna basically just go for a little nighttime POV drive in the Scat Pack. As y'all can see, it's pretty dark. Fully tinted, that's probably why, but don't mind me. Not the best camera, none of that. I'm on a GoPro with a selfie stick. But yeah, let's get into it. Scat Pack. Don't mind my Christmas tree dash. Christmas tree dash. See how this baby's running. I just did a whole new coolant reservoir on it yesterday. So I ended up going to the racetrack. And basically at the racetrack, or not, I don't even know why I say the racetrack, because we didn't even race or nothing. It was the little drift track for real. But we had a 2-hour session to basically drift around, and that shit was fun as hell. I'm gonna definitely do another vlog as soon as I go back there. I'm supposed to be going back the 29th, so definitely stay in tune for that. But yeah, I'm just trying to bring y'all guys some type of content, man. Should be, you can't just have no boring channel. I gotta figure out what's clunking, man. I got like some type of clunking on this shit, like when I turn, and I did hella suspension work to it. Like, listen. Hold on. We outside though. Scat Pack. Got an exhaust leak right now too. Jumping, man. Y'all hear the scat though. That's the little 5-speed too, man. Imagine if I had the 8-speed, I'd be outside, man. I'd be sliding this joint though for a 5-speed. It's hard to lock in gears on this, I guess because it's so short. Yeah, man, y'all see it. I bet you be running healthy. I take care of my joint. I'm just trying to figure out, like I said, I'm trying to figure out that suspension noise. I know my rear suspension shot. I'm about to get the rear suspension done, and then I'm probably gonna do them all the way around, because right now I'm running the front on cheap, basically I could say like quick, excuse me, fucking quick struts, I believe they're called, like some cheap shit, which ain't the best, but I only did it just to get it going for a little while. I'm going to look at a G8 this weekend probably. I'm a fan of the G8s. I had a lot of them, so I don't know. Something about the G8s. Them shits are fun. I like the LS. Don't get me wrong, I love Mopar and shit, but I don't know. LS just, I love the sound of the LS. I love the LS power. Fucking, I don't know. A little bit of everything about the LS. But we all got opinions and shit. Like, if I end up keeping this, my plan is basically to Hellcat swap it and go from there. I want to Hellcat swap it and then probably keep that for a while and then work my way up to maybe like a Trackhawk or something. Cause I do like the Jeeps and shit. The Jeeps are pretty cool. I want to get underground tuning to tune this shit for me. Bro, if he tunes this shit will sound so good. But yeah, my shit be running healthy. Like, I just did the oil pressure sensor, oil change, so oil pressure be good. I just did the new coolant reservoir, coolant lines, and the coolant flush, so that's pretty much good. Running strong, 117,000 miles. I do got to get rid of all these lights. That does bother me sometimes. But for the most part, it's not really that big of a deal to me because I know my car runs good. That's just lights. So I mean, that's why I don't really let that shit bother me. But yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive. That's all we're doing right now. Wanted to show you guys a little drive, nighttime drive. That's all. I do love this car though. It's like one of the best cars I've had for real. I am a fan of like the Chargers and Challengers. I do want to get a Challenger probably next. One day I want to build a Hellcat Challenger. But for now my little Scat's doing good for me, man. It's holding up. It gives me enough fun. It's enough power for now. And it sounds crazy, man. Like, I'm gonna get out and show y'all like a little walk around. I'm just trying to get over to basically a warehouse or something where I can show you guys a POV, or not a POV, but like an outside view. One day we'll go, in the summertime, I'm definitely going out on the beach and get like fucking, I guess like reaction videos of the exhaust and shit, how it sounds. This shit sounds beautiful besides the exhaust leak. I got the exhaust leak on the passenger side from when I had my transmission done. The dude who did it fucking, I guess when he took the trans out, because I know when you take the trans out you gotta drop the exhaust and shit, so I'm guessing he dropped the exhaust, and either him or one of his partners, they broke the bolt for the exhaust, so I need to get a new exhaust bolt, and I gotta get fucking gasket for it, which the dude that I have at the exhaust shop, he got all that shit ready for me. I'm just trying to find time to drop it off. But y'all hear it, this shit sounds crazy. I'm just cruising. That's not even hitting it. I don't even want to hit it because I don't want to be speeding too much. I'm in a little town right now. I'm just trying to give y'all this little drive. It's already 7 minutes. I'll probably end up stopping this shit at like fucking 10. But yeah, maybe I'll get out right here and show y'all. I'll get out right here and show y'all the car for real. Ain't nobody gonna bother me. Y'all see it. I'm not gonna show the plate just because I don't want no federal shit. Y'all see it though. Big scat pack. Definitely stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna like the vlogs coming. I'm getting more comfortable with it, and that's like the biggest part for me, was getting comfortable vlogging myself. That's why I be doing a lot of shorts and shit, but I don't care no more. I'm trying to show y'all what I be doing, what I be getting into and shit, my little lifestyle. It's nothing too crazy, but shit, I do be having fun. My life be active, so I figured I'll bring y'all along and show y'all what goes on. That's all for real. Oh shit. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for real. I'm trying to find my phone. Hold on, let me pull over real quick. I don't know how cops are around you guys, but around my area, they be on dick. Yeah, like I said. I gotta get this bitch tuned. Get this bitch tuned. This shit gonna feel even better, man. Y'all see it though. I don't know how this quality's gonna come out. I'm on the GoPro 8 right now. This is what I basically be recording on for basically I just record on fucking for my bike life videos and shit like that. But I figure I'm gonna just try this out, and if the quality ain't bad, you know, why not? Let's just see what it does. But hopefully y'all start tuning in, man. I don't really care about the money shit. I'm just trying to have a nice little following and shit. I like showing people my life and what I do. Like I came up a rough patch and shit, so I don't know. I like to just show people that you can make the best out of the things you have and just enjoy the little things in life. But yeah. about to go get a little, feel me? We might spin it or something. We'll see. I just want to show y'all. We're gonna hit it down this road real quick. Give y'all a little exhaust sound. I'm about to do long tubes on it, so stay tuned to hear long tubes on the 6.4. I already did a cat delete, muffler delete, so my shit pretty much as loud as it can get right now without doing long tubes, and I'm waiting to do 5-inch exhaust tips, shit like that. So feel me? We just getting into shit like that. Y'all hear it? She be trying to go, man. I gotta do a fitment job. If you guys can hear, you can hear the whistle. That's all the fucking wind going through the I guess the front, basically the front fenders and the front bumper. So I'm trying to get that shit fixed, but I haven't been really worried about that because I'm trying to get the SRT Hellcat 300 front bumper anyway. Getting that, I'm getting the front hood. I just picked up the Demon 5-spoke wheels. I gotta get a new rear bumper. I gotta get a new Srt8 rear diffuser, I believe it is. But yeah, man, I mean, this shit just needs a little shit. I'm trying to basically build the body and the looks for the that bitch smoky, man. Got that bitch smoky. Yeah, I figure I'd do one little burnout for y'all. Y'all gotta see something.